What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Bo, back again with another video. So we're going to be working on this guy today. This is a 2016 X5. It's the X-Drive, the 35i with the F15 engine. So we're going to be doing a little mod to it that's pretty popular in the X5 world. Basically, all the intake systems are pretty expensive, which they don't provide that much, power upgrades for the price. So a lot of people do a kind of like an OEM mod, and basically these two snorkels here are going to be utilized instead of just this one. So people who've done this mod say they hear more noise and they feel a little bit of a pickup in power. So we're going to be doing it today. And basically this intake system is OEM. It's right here in my hand. It is OEM. It's from a diesel model X5. So for some reason they gave two snorkel inlets for the diesel ones and only one for the gas model. So basically, yeah, I had to find this in I think Australia, and they got shipped. It was on eBay, and then I went on Amazon and got this boy right here. I think it's like 40 bucks. This is a 8 by 4 inch silicone coupler. So you can find those, pretty available on Amazon. So yeah, we're about to fit this up and I guess reap the benefits. But yeah, first I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, wipe it down. I was looking inside of here, it's a little dusty. So I'm gonna wash that out and install it. this is basically it right here. I know it's not pretty, it is a tight fit. As you see there, I had to struggle with getting the coupler over the inlet here. But maybe I should chop the inlet a little bit more so I don't have to force it on there so much. And this clamp might be able to fit a little bit better. I didn't tighten everything down yet. I just wanted to see how it fits. Alright, so this is what I came up with here. So I had to cut the inlet because it was protruding out too far, and the silicone, I kind of wanted to keep most of it so because it's more flexible. But I did have to trim this a little bit shorter so it could go into the coupler a little bit more so this can fit. I do need one of these like almost housings for this side here so that I can fit in a little bit better. But I don't need a clamp right here because that's pretty snug on there. And just right here, I might have to check it, you know, after a couple of drives just to make sure that this doesn't pop off, because it's kind of, yeah, it's right on the edge. But yeah, came out pretty decent. It's not like a plug and play as I thought it was. Just had to trim up the actual inlet and trim this up here. Seems to be fitting pretty decent. I'm gonna just wipe everything down and then take it on a little test drive. See if I can feel a difference or hear a difference. What's up, guys? It's the next couple days after installing the diesel, the X5D intake on the car, and a couple of things that I noticed is that I have to press the gas a little bit less or like lighter, you know, to drive just normally. I didn't really feel like any type of power pickup or anything, but you know, seems like it's picking up on gas mileage. So it's at 22.2 now after driving like for 3 days. Normally before it was at like 18, like 18.5. So I guess that helped in some sense, but yeah, so no power upgrade. Pretty much I am stock, no tune, no downpipe, no intercooler, charge pipe, no anything like that. All right, but yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Maybe I'll be doing something more interesting on this car. So y'all stay tuned. Peace.